morning. It is February 26th at 7 a.m. Saturday morning, and I'm getting ready because we are going to pick up Keith's brand new boat. Yes, I don't even remember if I told you guys. I know I told Autumn and Winnie. Keith had a custom-made ski Nautique built. And it's taken months and months, and today's the day. We're going to pick up the boat, so I'm super excited. I'm getting ready. We're going, it's really, really, really cold, but we're going out on the water. The guy from the place where he bought it is going out with us to show Keith things about the boat, and so I gotta get dressed nice and warm, and I will check back with you guys in a bit. I was just wanting to make an entry and say good morning, and I will see you guys in a bit. Okay, I'm back. I was just going to show you guys these adorable earrings. These are by Alex and Annie. And sometimes I do enjoy wearing small earrings. These are small for me. But I really like these. So I thought since we were going out on the boat, I might need a little protection. So I'm wearing the Matia Evil Eye earrings. Yeah. So I'm all packed. Oh, and I also brought, this is a cashmere scarf I got in Scotland. It's not a Burberry, but it looks like it. That's why when I got my Burberry scarf for Christmas, I had asked Keith for the lighter color one. I love this. I've had it for years. Love it. All right, guys. When I get back, I don't know what time we'll be back. But anyway, I'm going to vlog all this. And yeah, so it's Keith's day to shine, you guys. It's all about Keith today. And we're going to go pick up my son-in-law and our grandson. And they're going with us. So yeah, I think we're going to head out here in just a bit. And I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys. We are here at the boat dealership. And my son-in-law, Keith, my son, and my grandson are here, and we're gonna check out the boat. Our shrimping boat. Wow. Oh my God. It even has a ladder to get up on it. Oh my gosh. Keith? It's Keith's new toy. Right, Keith? Yep. It's your new toy. Can't wait to see it uncovered. Look at that. Look at that color. So we had it custom built. It's a Paragon ski Nautique. And with Keith, we had this color picked out. What do you think, Matt?
I hate to tell you, this one's already sold. I know. Hey, Patrick. Good, sir. Good. Pleasure to meet you, finally. How you been? Good. I tell you what, let me pull her out of the awning here and get it set right there so you can kind of get a better look at it. Sure.
You guys, this is a really big deal for Keith. He is so excited. So he's going to pull the truck around. I guess they're going to hook it up. And the manager of this place, he's going out on the lake with us because there's a lot to know about this boat. Keith has never owned a boat, so he went all in with it, and I'm really happy. I'm really happy for Keith. Wow. So getting a boat like this is a huge deal, and so they're going to go over everything with Keith.
So if you don't do this first,
there's a lot to know about it. Keith had to get his boating license. I just can't wait. We're going to go out on the lake. It's going to be cold, but it's going to be a learning experience today. Can't wait to get that cover off of it. There's my grandson. He's 18. My son-in-law and my son, one of my sons, my youngest one. So Keith, come here. So how do you feel?
Kind of nervous.
We're going to do the unveiling. It's Keith's special day, isn't it, Keith?
Yeah.
This is a big deal because he never buys himself anything, and When he did, he went all in. Wow. Look at that color. It's gorgeous.
Keith, were you able to see one before you pulled the trigger on it? Did Daniel take you to see one or anything yet?
There was one here.
Yeah,
there was one here.
Oh, okay, I got you. Just to keep one off of it. I think you got everything she has to go. But
Oh my gosh.
Really out.
I'm so happy for Keith. Huh?
It's got autopilot on it.
I think so.
Really?
It's got everything.
You can tag your coordinates and just let it drive itself.
I don't know. I mean, I just know that he got all the bells and whistles.
I do know
It's beautiful.
All the way across the
Oh my gosh.
sound system he's got on
Oh
there.
yeah. Oh, it's got a great sound system. It's beautiful. Okay, so he's showing Keith how to raise the tower. So it's got like, when you step on here, it's got these steps. My phone is ringing.
So it's a little hard to push in. I'm gonna put one hand right here, and we push in this little round knob right there. If you just do it like that, it's kind of hard to do. So
It's got an awesome sound system. That's something that Keith absolutely wanted. And it has all kinds of storage, like all that stuff pulls up.
now, if it's in a
I just want to tell you guys, I cannot tell you how happy I am for Keith because he is not a materialistic person. I mean, he does so much for my children and myself, and he just went all out, and I encouraged him to go all out and get the boat of his dreams, and he did. It's a huge day for us, and I'm so happy that my son, grandson, and son-in-law came to support Keith. I just can't tell you how happy I am for him because he's earned this, I think. All right, so there's the front view.
You might feel like you're going to get real close to that little berm over there, but don't worry about it.
Okay, he's gonna pull it out now. This is exciting. Wow. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Oh.
Yeah, that's perfect.
I'm not, but he is.
Oh, I would be too. I would be too. God, it sure is pretty.
It's gorgeous. I'm really happy for him. Yeah.
No?
Wow. It's Keith's big day, you guys. Keith's big day. Keith, you love it?
Yep.
What do you think?
Write the check.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is the first time Keith is going to try to back it up here. This is all new to us. Him. I'm not gonna do it. But we're gonna go for a ride. And I'm taking you guys along. Oh boy. Here we go. It's making me nervous, Ben.
Slide on.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I can't believe. Get in? Should I? Oh, okay. Wait, should I get in now?
No, as soon as it starts.
Gosh. I'm on the boat.
Always keep your board racks and your bumpers in until you get it off the trailer. Don't get the fenders wet. Completely wet. Are they under? All of it. Yeah, don't come back a bit. Get a little bit more boat in the water before I crank it. Yeah, just held it down for a couple seconds. All right.
Hello, Captain. Captain Keith and his trusty co-captains. Yeah, we don't have any beer. This is a tragedy.
What have you got there? Just pop it in like that. I got you. There you go. Of course, that's your dock. Yeah. Yeah, we're not going to top. We're just going to take off.
What do you have to say, Keith?
What do you want me to say? Yes. All right, see you guys later.
Bye.
Enjoyed it.
Oh my gosh.
All right. We'll just get out.
You wouldn't do that to us.
Get too nice of a boat. Let you guys go by yourself.
All right. This is awesome.
Normally the water is not milky and chocolatey. It's usually clear up here. But obviously all the rain has brought the water level up.
Is it JLA Media Master?
Should be. Are you Pixel 4, I'd imagine?
Yes.
Fair. Okay. Can you turn the volume down on your phone? This is basically like the tab button on your keyboard. This little square button right here.
Yeah.
So that will go through the different features of the menu. Obviously, the first button is for music. The second button here is your presets, where you can say, hey, we're going to wake, surf, mellow, steep, whatever, from wakeboard pro, wakeboard intermediate, wakeboard novice, and obviously all the ballast settings. And if you real easily want to modify your speed while the 0 off is turned on, that's basically your cruise control. Easily hit the.
All right, Keith is the captain. Aye, aye, captain. Whoa.
So when you get it up on plane, go ahead and
Oh my gosh.
let the boat sit down. Boys, right?
Oh, no, yeah. I know, I am too.